Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little haul video. Recently I bought a few makeup and skincare products from Myntra, Nykaa and Purplle.com, and today I would be sharing the makeup section of that particular haul. I would be splitting this particular haul video in two different parts. This is part 1 of the video, which is the makeup haul, and the next video that would be uploaded on the coming Thursday would be part 2 of the video, which would be the skincare haul. So this is a collective haul and I haven't bought everything together. As I mentioned, I bought them from 3 different websites, and so I ordered them in the past 15-20 days. Before talking more, let's get into the first product. The first product that I am showing in this video is something that I bought from Nykaa, and it is by Nykaa Cosmetics itself. It is one of the newly launched nail polishes called the Insta Dry nail polishes, and I ordered 5 shades from the collection. Now I just have 4 of them with me right here because I accidentally broke the bottle of the 5th one, and I had to transfer it in a little old bottle that I had with me. So yes, these are the 4 shades that I have in the original bottle, and this is the 5th one that I accidentally broke. I have done a full review and swatch videos on these particular nail polishes. I'll just quickly go through all the 5 shades that I have with me, and I would also insert the picture of the nail swatch of the color that I would be showing so that you are able to relate to the color that I'm talking about. So the first one is called Throwback Taupe. The second color I bought is called Teal Tag. The third color is called Rose Room, and this is my favorite amongst all the 5 that I have with me. The fourth shade that I have is called Raspberry Regram, and the 5th one that I accidentally broke is called Fern Follower. As I said, I have done a full review video on these nail polishes, so I have tried all of them, and I would just like to say that I love the formula of these nail polishes. If you are interested in knowing more about these nail polishes, then do not forget to check the description box down below, where I would be linking the review video of these nail polishes. I am also linking it somewhere here on the I button so that you can directly click on the link and go to that particular video. The next product that I have is another new launch, and it is by the brand L18. L18 recently launched their liquid lipsticks. These particular liquid lipsticks from L18 retail for 120 rupees, and they are available in 20 different color options. I have 6 colors with me, and again I have swatched and reviewed all 6 of them on my channel. I would be linking the review video in the description box down below as well as on the I button. So if you are interested in seeing how these 6 colors look on my lips, then do not forget to check that video. Today I'll just quickly swatch all of these on the back of my hand so you are able to see how the colors look like. Before going on to the next product, I'll quickly swatch all the 6 shades on the back of my hand, and then we'll talk about the next product. The first shade that I have swatched right here is called Flattering Nude. This one is called Barn Red. This is how the shade Rhubarb Red looks like. This beautiful pink is called Pink Blossom. This particular red is called Smashing Red, and the 6th shade that I have is called Perfect Pink. Now coming to the next product that I have. The next product is again a lip product, and it is by the brand Calabar. So a few days or maybe a few months back, Calabar launched their new lipsticks called Cream Me As I Am. I wasn't actually aware about this particular launch until I saw an influencer using it on Instagram. Honestly saying, I instantly fell in love with the shape or the packaging of the lipstick, which is like a very weird thing and a very non-correct reason to buy a lipstick, but it is how it is. So I fell in love with the packaging of the lipstick, and the shape of the bullet is actually pretty different than anything that I've seen so far or anything that I own so far. So yes, that is the reason that I fell in love with this particular lipsticks, and so I just actually bought 2 shades from the collection. The 2 shades that I have with me are 01 Quickie and 09 Sherry. I wanted to go with all the 10-12 shades that are available in the collection, but these lipsticks are a little on the pricier side, not too pricey, but each lipstick retails for 650 rupees, and as I have so many lipsticks, I didn't want to buy a lot of them, so I just bought 2 of them, and I'll show you why I fell in love with these lipsticks. So this is how the outer packaging of the lipstick looks like. The shade that I am actually holding right now is 001 Quickie, and this is how the outer packaging is, which you might say it's very regular, but I'll just try and show you the inner packaging. It is a retractable pencil again, and this is how it looks like. See, can you see the bullet of this lipstick, it is so different. It is sort of a rectangular shaped, and I don't know how I would actually feel while applying these lipsticks on my lips, but as of now I am loving the way it looks, and the shade actually also seems pretty interesting. I'll just quickly swatch it on the back of my hand. They're very pigmented actually. This is how the shade 001 Quickie looks like. I'll also swatch the other shade that I have with me, which is 009 Sherry, and it seems to be a neutral color, and this is how Sherry looks like. The colors is beautiful. It is not as pigmented as I expected it to be, but it does have a very like a creamy and lip balmy sort of a texture, and I guess that is why they are called creamy as I am. I'm not sure whether I would be liking the formula of these lipsticks on my lips or not, but so far I love both the shades that I have, and I certainly love the packaging of these lipsticks. I ordered both of these lipsticks from Colorbar's official website, and so I got a little set of 10 mini wipes free with my order, along with this beautiful box that I think is a very good way to store your products if you don't have a lot. Now all the other products that I would be showing you guys in this video are actually ordered from Purplle.com, and 3 of them actually belong to the brand NYBay. I would be showing you the 4th one first, which is not an NYBay product, and it is by the brand Asfa Halal, I guess, and it is one of their nail polishes. I have heard about this brand, but I have never tried anything from them, so I thought of trying this particular sparkly nail polish from the brand. The shade that I have is called 01, and it is called Pink Sapphire. Now, as I said, the other products that are remaining in this video are by the brand NYBay. I actually have one of their foundations, blush, and a lipstick from the brand. The brand was actually having an offer of buy 2 get 1 free, and that is the reason I bought 3 different products from the brand. First, I'll quickly show you the lipstick that I have. Again, I haven't tried any bullet lipstick from the brand. I have tried, I guess, a few liquid lipsticks from the brand, and have also done a review video of the same. I would be linking all the videos that I'm mentioning in this video in the description box down below, so if you are interested in any of them, you can easily check out the description box. If you're wondering what I'm trying to do, is I was just trying to take this particular lipstick out of this packaging. It was getting a little difficult, so this is how the bullet of the lipstick looks like. It is again packaged in plastic, which I would be removing quickly. So yes, this is the bullet, and it is a very different sort of a shade that I ordered. It is like a vampy purpley shade, which is different from anything that I own, and I'll just quickly swatch it for you guys. This is how the color that I ordered looks like. The shade that I have is called Saturday Live Night 2. I'll swatch it in a shorts video, or maybe make a reel swatching this particular one. So if you are interested in seeing how this particular color looks on my lips, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and maybe just follow me on my Instagram as well. That being said, now I'll jump to my next product, which is the NYBay blush. The particular shade that I have is called Sunset Skyline. NYBay products are actually pretty affordable, and even this blush retails for just 230 rupees, and because I got it on an offer, so I actually paid a little less for that. This is how the outer packaging of the blush looks like. It is not very nice, and honestly saying, every other blush is usually available in the market, I was expecting a mirror right here, but there is no mirror in this particular blush, and this is how the color of the blush looks like. The color is beautiful, and if I'll just quickly swatch it, it does seem pretty pigmented as well. I do not actually have a lot of space right here, but oh my god, it is really pigmented. I'll have to be careful while applying this color on my face, but yes, this is how the shade Sunset Skyline looks like. With this, I am at the last product of my makeup haul, which is this new foundation that I wanted to try. This is again by the brand NYBay, and it is their Dewy Drop Liquid Foundation. Now it is little difficult to select the foundation shade when you're shopping online, but I honestly just just check out the online swatches and do it. So I'm not too sure whether the color would be a match for me or not. The shade that I have is shade number 9 called Cafe au Lait. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll just mention it right here. So yes, this is how it looks like. I am afraid that it is lighter for me. Whenever I just order my foundation online, I somehow order a lighter shade for me. I don't know how will it work or not. Let me know if you're interested in seeing a review video on this particular foundation. I haven't tried it, so I'll try it for a week or two, and then we'll talk about the longevity and how it feels on my skin, whether it is actually like a dewy foundation or does it give some other sort of a finish. So that concludes today's haul. If you are interested in seeing more haul videos on my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell down below. There would be a skincare haul video coming up next Thursday, which is my uploading schedule. I upload new videos every Monday, Thursday and Saturday. So next skincare haul video would be uploaded on the coming Thursday. So ring the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever that video goes live. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.